Hello, I'm Chad. Welcome to XBeyond 360's educational series. We are going to discuss the subject of loads in relation to install best practices. It's important to have an understanding of the loads to help you size your onboard battery bank. For more specific help on this topic, check out our Sizing Your System for Power Needs video. First, let's look at the definition of what an electric load is. An electric load is a device or component that consumes electrical energy in the form of a current and transforms it into another form such as heat, light, or motion. Some examples are a coffee pot, which is current creating heat, LED lighting, which is current creating light, and a blender, which is current creating motion. As you start to acquire the load information for all of your devices, you'll see that they fall into two main categories, alternating current and direct current, also referred to as AC and DC. AC appliances are typically rated at 120 volts AC and require more power, so they rely on the grid as opposed to batteries. Some examples of AC devices are an air conditioner, a microwave oven, toaster, or hair dryer. In an RV, for example, the power for these units is provided in three main ways. Simply plugging your RV into a shore power outlet, commonly provided at RV parks. Using an onboard inverter generator that can be fueled by gas, diesel, or even propane. Operating an electronic inverter which uses your battery bank DC output and converts it to 120 or 240 volts AC. The second group of appliances that I mentioned previously are DC powered. For example, some typical DC devices are a water pump, AM/FM radio, LED lighting, or a motorized awning. These units derive their power needs from the DC output of your onboard battery bank system. This is an example of why it is critical that you know how long your battery bank's charge will last based on your average daily appliance usage. You want to make sure that there is sufficient power to last you until you are able to perform another charging cycle. Charging is an entire topic in itself. Our charging applications video goes more into detail, including shore charging, generator charging, DC to DC charging from your vehicle's alternator, inverter charger charging, and solar charging. You can find the information about a device's electrical load on a label or safety tag attached to the device. Well, there you have it. How to better understand the concept of electrical loads and the way they impact the everyday use of your recreational vehicle. Thank you for watching our electrical loads video. To view other product videos, use manuals and specification sheets, visit xbeyond360.com.